National High School in 2023. That same year, in September, he achieved one of his most significant milestones, passing the board examination for professional teachers in Cagayan City, officially becoming a licensed professional teacher. This accomplishment reflects his dedication to education and his commitment to inspiring students. Beyond the classroom, he has proven himself a gifted writer and spoken word artist. He has won numerous awards in online writing press conferences and has earned recognition in spoken word competitions, showcasing the richness of the Filipino language and literature. His artistry extends beyond local stages, making him a voice worth celebrating. One of his remarkable achievements was representing Jose Rizal Memorial State University at the prestigious Concierto ng Tula at Awit held at UP Philippine. Performing alongside artists from across the Philippines, he highlighted his talent on a national stage and brought pride to his institution and community. His contributions to literature are equally commendable. He is both an author and a contributor to Verbo, Ang Kapangyarihan ng Tula, the first book of Kusina ng Talinghaga. Additionally, his poem, Tugato, was published by Mind Shapers Corporation in Metro Manila, solidifying his place among today's published Filipino literary voices. Ladies and gentlemen, let us all give a warm round of applause to our distinguished judge, Mr. Rosler A. Beta. Let's give him a round of applause, please. Thank you, sir. Our next judge is an educator whose dedication to teaching and mentoring has earned him numerous